everyone, it's Mrs. Wolf. Just wanted to pop on and let you know how to get to our first grade calendar. Here I am on the home page of the RCS website. There is a link that reads Access RCS Students Education and Materials. You're going to follow the blue link. All right. You can pretty much ignore anything in the yellow. You're going to go to the A.W. Becker tab and go to first grade. Okay. Here in the resource folder, you're going to click. And our calendar is the very colorful grid. It will open a document. As you see, we do have 3 weeks. We have week 1, week 2, and week 3. On slides 4 and 5, we do have extra links and all the websites and the login information. If you need further assistance, please reach out. We're happy to help in any way. Thanks so much.